Global ownership patterns reveal a complex web of influence and control. Asset managers play a crucial role in shaping the economy from behind the scenes. Index funds have become a dominant force in the investment landscape recently. Voting power is concentrated in the hands of a few large asset management firms. Ownership concentration has significant implications for corporate governance and policy. Automatic savings apps and retirement plans often invest in these large funds. Individual investors may unknowingly contribute to the growth of these massive funds. A quiet home office is where many people manage their personal finances and investments. Calculators and notebooks are still used to balance budgets and track expenses. Stock charts and bank statements reveal the intricacies of the investment world. Behind the scenes, asset managers make decisions that impact the global economy. The lines between personal finance and global ownership become increasingly blurred. Asset managers have become key players in global ownership structures. Through index funds, they accumulate vast amounts of voting power quietly. Individual investors rely on these managers for retirement planning purposes. Automatic savings apps and investment charts shape their financial decisions. A quiet home office is where many make these important life choices. Calculators and notebooks help track budgets and stock market fluctuations. Behind the scenes, asset managers make decisions with significant impact. The lines between personal finance and global ownership continue blurring. Concentration of ownership raises questions about control and influence. Analysis suggests that hidden forces may be shaping the economy. Index funds and asset managers hold significant stakes in major companies. Ownership concentration has led to a complex web of interests and power. Index funds have become a dominant force in the investment landscape suddenly. By pooling money from various investors, they gain significant voting power automatically. Asset managers, who oversee these funds, hold substantial stakes in major companies quietly. Their influence can shape corporate decisions, often without public awareness or scrutiny. Behind the scenes, a complex web of ownership and interests is being woven slowly. Automatic savings apps and retirement plans funnel money into these funds steadily. Individual investors, seeking stable returns, unwittingly contribute to ownership concentration gradually. A quiet home office, where personal finance planning occurs, is connected to this system. Calculators and notebooks help investors make informed decisions, but the bigger picture remains hidden. Voting power, concentrated in the hands of a few asset managers, raises important questions about control. Scenes of investment charts and stock market close-ups reveal a system driven by numbers and efficiency. As the lines between ownership and influence blur, the notion of a single entity shaping the global economy gains credibility. Asset managers hold significant stakes in major companies worldwide now. Voting power concentrates in the hands of a few large firms slowly. Index funds have become a dominant force in the investment landscape today. Ownership concentration raises questions about the balance of power globally. Behind the scenes, asset managers shape corporate decisions and policies quietly. Through index funds, they exert influence over a vast array of companies indirectly. A quiet home office is where many investors unknowingly contribute to this system. Personal finance planning desks are filled with calculators and notebooks budgeting. Retirement paperwork and automatic savings apps fuel the growth of index funds. Bank statements and stock charts reveal the extent of ownership concentration slowly. Automatic investments and diversification strategies mask the true nature of ownership. Investment charts and close-ups of stock market screens reveal a complex web of influence. As individual investors, we unwittingly contribute to this complex web of ownership. Asset managers wield significant voting power, shaping corporate decisions from behind the scenes. Index funds, in particular, have become a dominant force in the global economy. Their ownership concentration raises questions about the true nature of corporate governance. Personal finance planning often overlooks the role of asset managers in shaping our investments. Retirement savings, for instance, may be inadvertently supporting a single entity's interests. Automatic savings apps and investment charts can mask the underlying ownership structure. A closer look at our bank statements and stock charts reveals a complex network of influence. The quiet home office, where we plan our financial futures, is connected to this web. Analysis suggests that this concentration of ownership may have far-reaching implications. The global economy, as a result, may be more interconnected than we initially thought. The company that owns everything, it seems, is a symptom of a larger, more complex system. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.